Hi my friends, today we model this part. And this is the drawing. We start with this revolving volumes. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw lines. This is 22. Then to the right, down, left, down, and back to the start. This vertical contains the center point. This horizontal contains the center point. We select this as a center line. Other dimensions. This is 10. This diameter is 27.5 multiplied by 2 because we have this radius and the drawing. We respect the drawing, and this is 32 diameter. Then we have to apply this channel 45 1 0.2 to this point. Yes, this is the corner, and we have 0.2 from that corner. We draw lines here, 1, 2 perpendicular, 3. We place a dimension of 0.2 between these two, 0.2. We place angle of 45 and 1 millimeter is this. These two are equal. Equal is this with this. Then we apply split here and here, and then we select these two segments to be construction. This angle is not nice. It is okay, but I want to see here 45. Okay, finish sketch. You see this point here. This means that we have a fully constrained sketch. Revolve. Okay. And we place this 0.5 at 45, this chamfer. Do not forget, we select this chamfer 0.5. Now this face with many dimensions here, you see all this contour. You see here all that dimensions. Take care of 0.2 for this distance, and other dimensions. Take a look here and make what I do now. I select this face and I project this circle. Then I draw a sloped line, a vertical line, and back to the circle. These two segments are equal, and the center of this line is on the same horizontal with this point. Then we apply here a dimension of 26 and angle of 30 degrees. And the last is this distance of 16.5. On the other side, we draw other lines. This is the first, to the right, up, right, down, somewhere here. Then we go here, down, a small line, and down, vertical, left, once again left, and down. I wanted to place this line aligned with this and this aligned with the other. Good. Dimensions. This is the total dimension of 36.5. Then here is 9. Then this is 4.5. This is 7.5. This is 15. This is 0.2, as you know. This distance from this line or point to the center point is 3.5. This is 12. And this is 5. Horizontal, this is 14. Then we have 3.5 here. 8 is this. And this is 6.5. Now we have a fully constrained sketch, but you see here a cut and here another one, and here we have details C and D are similar with B. This is B. Good, we know the procedure. We draw a sloped line, perpendicular, again perpendicular, twice perpendicular. The distance from this line and this point is 0.2. This is 1 millimeter. And equal are this with this. The angle is 45. 45. Then we apply split for this segment and this segment. Then we select the two segments and make them construction. You see, I don't like this, but it is okay. We don't need to change something only for aspect. Once again, line, perpendicular, perpendicular, equal these two, distance of 0.2 here, angle of 45, and this is 1 millimeter. Once again, we apply split for two small segments. Then we select this to make them construction. Once again, we see here 135, no problem. The state of this sketch is still fully constrained. Here is not nice. Now, okay. Finish sketch. Extrude this area and this area with cut all the way through the part. Okay. Now we focus on this hole, metric 6 through the part. Distance is 4 millimeters, 1.5 from the center point. To do this, we create a new plane based on this one, and we move it 4 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters to the right. Okay, we use this plane for a new sketch. F7, we draw a line, no matter how long it is, at a distance of 4 millimeters from the center point, and this end point must be placed at a distance of 27.5 plus something, plus 2 millimeters. We'll know why this distance. Finish sketch. Axis, this is the axis. Point, this is the point, and now we can apply the hole. The hole is metric 6 already. I made it before. We select this point, we select this axis, and we have that threaded hole of metric 6 through the part. Okay, we hide all these entities and we continue with these slots, curved slots. You see 20, 20, radius 3.5, radius 5.5, the same as this one, symmetrical. And the depth is 5 and through. Okay, let's do this. We select this face, new sketch, then we go to slot 3-point arc. We start from here, we go here. Radius is I forgot to tell you, 21, 42 is the diameter, 21. Then this is twice 3.5 multiplied with 2. Very nice, but this is not all. We have to place this center on the center point, coincident this with this. Then we draw 2 lines from this center to the center point and back to the other center. Okay, these 2 lines are construction lines. Angles, this about this arc, a line is 20. Then this with this is also 20. Another slot starts from here, goes here, is identical with the other one. I select this arc, then we apply 5.5 multiplied by 2. Finish. Any missing one dimension needed? What is that dimension? I don't know. Oh, this is, oh, this was not coincident, this point with this point. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. It happens. Okay, now we apply extrude of this internal, the other direction, all the way through the part. Okay, now we select that sketch and we make it sharing sketch. Now we have the other slot at our disposition. Extrude, this is the other direction, but on 5. Okay, I hide the shared sketch and you see the result. Then we apply mirror of this last feature and the other one about this plane. Okay, very good, very nice, very interesting. Now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same. We cancel modifying this and we go to material. Material is steel carbon, and the light is not default IBL but default lights. Now we have these two absolutely identical. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.